What is up, y'all? Welcome to a new week, new trading week, election week. Now, it is a no news Monday and also the day before the presidential elections. I am not even gonna bother logging in to my broker at all today or tomorrow. So, today and tomorrow will be no trading days. It will be a day with no trades. But I'm still going to sit at the charts, mark up pre-market, post-market, make a video explaining what I saw. But Monday and Tuesday and probably Wednesday, maybe depends what we get, will be no trading days, and then Thursday could be another potential rate cut, and then consumer sentiment on Friday. Very heavy news week, particularly with the elections as well. It would be a heavy news week anyway without the elections, but heavy news week. So I will be staying away today and definitely staying away tomorrow. No trading days there because it is a no news Monday and a no news Tuesday. Last week was one trade, no other setups on these 3 days, and I was not at the charts on Monday. As you can see, one trade. Only had 4 trading days on the funded account so far. But I'm not logging into my broker on TradingView today. Without further ado, NQ, we've got 4-hour highs here, move up, move down, and 4-hour highs here. And then the first set of 4-hour lows all the way down here because these lows have been taken out. These aren't 4-hour lows. These 4-hour lows and then these 4-hour lows on the hourly. We've got 1-hour highs right there. These 1-hour lows have been taken. These are not hourly lows because it's not a move down followed by a move up. So that's not a 1-hour low. Neither's that one. But they are 15-minute lows that I am going to chuck on that one. So that's it on NQ. We're just playing within this range after this big expansion down on Thursday. We've just been ranging really. Quite a big move up on Friday. And since then just been in this range. ES is looking similar. Got 4-hour highs right here. 4-hour lows, because it's a move down then a move up. So 4-hour lows, 4-hour highs right here, move up, move down. And then 4-hour lows here. And on the 1-hour, similar situation. 1-hour lows, move down, then they move up. They're the 4-hour lows. And then these 1-hour highs from London session this morning. And that's it. If price comes to the highs, then I would be looking for shorts. And if price comes to the lows, I would be looking for longs. All off a 5-minute move up, then a retrace, or a 5-minute move down, then a retrace up. Simple stuff. That's how my system works. And market has just opened. It is a no news Monday before elections. I'm expecting very choppy price action. Going to the 1 minute, it's not looking good on ES at the minute. So I'll catch you guys when it hits about 10:30, 11 a.m. New York time, when I will have not taken a trade. See you in a second. Alrighty, so as I said, I did not place any trades. I'm not logged into paper trading, not logged into Tradeovate. No trades taken, but I did chart this trade live. So I placed the position drawing tool on live and let it run. But it's impossible to say how I would have reacted given I was on a live account. But we can jump straight in. So market opened. I'll keep it quick because it's a no trading day. Market opened, sold off down to these 4-hour lows on NQ. Down there, ran through all of these ones, sold off down to here. ES sold off down to these lows from the new week open. Simple stuff. Then I like to see an inverse FVG or a break at the same time. Not at the same time, but relative same time, just to confirm the sweep is valid. As you can see, 940, ES inverse, this imbalance, NQ inverse. This imbalance is 940 with this candle. So, valid sweep. Now I'm waiting for a 5-minute candle up. And right there, we get a 5-minute candle up. Boom. And then we get a 5-minute move down. During this 5-minute move down, we fill out this 5-minute imbalance that was made. ES filled it all the way. As you can see, ES broke 1-minute structure on that move up. NQ didn't. NQ didn't break till here. But we had 4 hour and 1 hour sweep, 5-minute move up. We had two 5-minute up candles, and then a 5-minute down candle retrace. On ES, came back in and filled the 5-minute imbalance all the way. On NQ, the 5-minute retrace. Here's the 5-minute imbalance. As you can see, we filled it a little bit. So I had the 1-minute ones drew on. We did close below this 1-minute one, but also this one. The 5-minute retrace candle closed at 9:55. So when this candle closed right here, and as we'd already filled and tapped this 1-minute imbalance and also closed below this one, I'd want to see final confirmation before actually entering the position. So same thing on ES, the 5-minute retrace closed at 9:55, and then literally the candle after the 5-minute retrace, this is the first one of the new 5-minute candle, broke 1-minute structure on ES, and then inverse this imbalance at 9:57. NQ did not for a little while, as you can see, and then this one gets a bit confusing, and who knows what I would have actually done. So ES inversed the imbalance and then made a 1-minute high. So I drew on 1-minute equilibrium from this 1-minute low to the 1-minute high. This candle wicks it and then closes. That candle closes at 10 a.m. So it opened at 9:59. It's a 9:59 candle. And that could have been a valid entry point on ES off the 1 hour or 4 hour sweep. I think it was 4 hour lows. No, 1 hour lows and 4 hour lows. Move down, then a move up. So yeah, 4 hour lows swept out, 5-minute move up, 5-minute down candle retrace, then a 1-minute breaker structure, and then a 1-minute third confluence in the form of the equilibrium. Enter right there, stops under the 1-minute low. Targeting, as it's a no news Monday, just targeting 15-minute highs right there. No need to be greedy and target the 1 hour highs on a no news Monday. 15-minute highs, and then that would have been a winning trade. Risking just over 0.5% on ES with one contract. So that would have been a winning trade. But I think I would have taken the NQ trade. So at the same time that was all happening, keep that in mind, all that ES stuff. NQ then at 9:59, so closing at 10 a.m. The same time as ES had filled 1-minute equilibrium. At the same time, NQ had broke 1-minute structure and inversed an imbalance at the same time. At the same candle, break and inverse. And then also ES had filled 1-minute equilibrium after breaking and inversing. That's a valid point for me to get in. Stop at the open of the final third of the three candles that formed the imbalance that got inversed. So 1, 2, 3 candles. Where does it open? Right there. That would have risked 1%, and I would have been confident in that because it's quite a high confidence setup. Regarding elections weren't tomorrow, if it was an average no news Monday and elections weren't tomorrow, I would have been happy risking 1% because it was a really clean sweep, move up, 5-minute retrace, and then final confirmation. And once again, just targeting the 15-minute highs because there is no need to be greedy and target the 1 hour highs all the way up there. So that would have been plenty. That would have been risking 1%, making almost 2%. We're going to be making $960, so that would have been a lovely trade. But I didn't take anything. I didn't place any orders because I said I wasn't going to, and I stayed disciplined and I stuck to my word. And a potential trade could have been waiting for a final confirmation on NQ in the form of 1-minute equilibrium from this low to this high made. This candle wicks it and closes up there. That could have been an entry. Stop at the 1-minute low, targeting the 1 hour highs because the 15-minute highs is below a 1 RR. So that is really, that would still be running if I had taken that one. And I wouldn't like being in that position right now, if I'll be honest. I wouldn't like it. I wouldn't have targeted there. That's a 1.1 though, but I wouldn't have targeted there. So that is the most likely trade. The ES trade was probably the best play. And then this one, and then the one I just shown you. But no trades were taken. obviously, because elections are tomorrow. I said I'd stay away. I stayed away. I enjoyed just watching. And I haven't actually executed in a week now. My last execution was last Tuesday, so I haven't executed in a whole week. So I want to try. Well, I placed this order on and then left it on. I didn't move anything else after I placed it. So, but it's been a while since I've executed, so maybe the first trade on the XFA is a bit of a stinker, but we'll see. No trades. I've already filled in my journal, most of it. No trades actually placed because day before elections, all charted live using drawings today. It's impossible to say if I did anything. These are a bit impossible. These are just hindsight. It's impossible to say what I would have done right and wrong, but what I did do well was not actually place anything. So that being said, that wraps up today. No trades because elections are tomorrow. No trades tomorrow, so I will catch you guys for another video like this. Peace out.